Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to preview your online courses. And since many people couldn't really find how to preview it, most people are asking me, I can only preview it as the editor, but I cannot preview it as the student. So there is a very easy way to do it. You just go to your online programs here, right? This is your dashboard. You click on this program and you see all the courses you have built. We just take any of these as example. So for example, if you want to preview it, when you do the editing everything, when you're done, you just preview here. You see there's preview one. But I know this is the how it looks like as as the editor when you are looking at the website. But as the students, it will going to show here. This is called participant view. So if you click here, that is the how it look like when people click on it after people has bought the courses, and then they will see this dashboard. That means this is how your courses looks like. So if you click on each one, this is how your course planned. So if you want to do any editing, add on pictures, you can preview here. Okay, so it's called the participant view. This is the visitor view. Okay, so that's all. This is participant view is how your students going to see your course, like in the after they have paid your course. That is all. Thank you for listening, and hopefully you have a nice experience when you're building the Wix website.